Want to get notifications from the X app? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to turn on notifications on X. Let's get started. First, open X. Tap on your profile picture at the top left. Then tap on Settings and Support at the bottom. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down a bit, then tap on Notifications. Tap on Preferences. Then tap on Push Notifications. Now at the top, toggle on the Push Notification option. And that is how to turn on notification on Twitter. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.